Wait, did Shiba Inu almost go to zero and now it's about to explode next week? 320 billion shib just moved in 24 hours, and analysts are throwing out crazy predictions. What's really going on? In today's video, I will be answering these questions and telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Welcome to Crypto Daily, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shiba news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shiba news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 5th of June, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,280 units, and its price is down 2.2% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $147 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $7.87 billion, ranking it as the 22nd most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Almost zero, 320 billion Shiba Inu in 24 hours. Shiba Inu certainly at stage where activity on network is stalling. The most recent Shiba Inu data presents a dismal image. Only 320.114 billion SHIB were transacted in the last 24 hours. This amount would have been insignificant on more bullish days, when the 24-hour transaction volume of SHIB frequently exceeded 1 or 2 trillion. Compared to previous peaks, that 320 billion figure is now essentially a rounding error. This weakness is supported by on-chain data, which shows that heavy transaction volumes are still low, even though SHIB's price is struggling to stay afloat. The 7-day peak for big transactions is actually only 3.14 trillion SHIB, which is a small portion of the price that initially drove the meme coin frenzy. At 320 billion, we are exactly where we were 7 days ago. There are also issues with the price chart. Shibi is currently trading perilously near multi-month lows at about 0.0197 USDT. Bears appear to be getting stronger based on the recent breakdown below the 50 EMA and horizontal support. A potential last line of defense before SHIB possibly slides further is the 200 EMA, which looms below. The general malaise is confirmed technically by the price action of SHIB. Since late 2024, the market has continuously formed lower highs and lower lows, trapping it in a downward trend. A further source of distress is the sharp decline in the volume of large transactions, which highlights the lack of interest or conviction from whales and consequently reduces the upside potential of SHIB. The same conclusion can be drawn from the 7-day average of 2.76 trillion SHIB. SHIB is just not moving as it once did. Without a new wave of speculative zeal, it is difficult to imagine the token making a significant comeback anytime soon, as retail interest seems to be declining. To put it briefly, SHIB is stuck. The path of least resistance currently appears to be down rather than up, barring a significant catalyst or whale-led surge. Without volume, SHIB's price action is likely to stay in the doldrums, so the 320 billion SHIB figure is more of a warning than a reason for celebration. Analysts sees Shiba Inu pumping like crazy next week if this level hold. A notable market analyst shares a Shiba Inu chart showing potential for a bullish rally next week, especially if key support holds. Key support level indicates stability. Whale. Guru's daily price chart highlights a critical support level around 0.00127. This level has been crucial in holding the price steady after several declines, suggesting a potential floor for SHIB's value. Notably, the price has bounced from this support multiple times in the past, signaling buying pressure at these levels. After falling from 0.00029 in May 2024, SHIB found this support again in September, followed by a surge to 0.0003333 in December 2024. Moreover, in May 2025, after another price drop to 0.00130, SHIB recovered to the same support, sparking a surge to 0.11767 by mid-May. This consistent pattern has led analysts to suggest that the 0.00127 support could again play a pivotal role in the token's price movement. Analysts target 200% surge. As Shiba Inu currently trades around the 0.112 level, another upward push could materialize soon. Whale, Guru sees this as a buffer for potential bullish momentum, implying that the token could pump like crazy next week. The analyst's target for the price of SHIB is set at 0.004R, which would represent over a 200% increase from its current value. The last time SHIB saw the 0.0004 mark was during the meme coin mania in March 2024. This level could further trigger a rally towards 0.001s, a new all-time high as indicated by the analyst's arrow on the chart. Shiba Inu long-term holders show confidence. Meanwhile, a separate analysis by Into the Block has provided insights into the behavior of Shiba Inu holders. According to the chart, the number of long-term holders, those that have held their bag for over a year, has consistently increased, with a plus 0.94% change in the past year. This trend indicates a growing confidence among long-term investors who have consistently retained their positions despite price fluctuations. The increase in long-term holders suggests a shift from speculative trading to more stable, fundamental ownership of SHIB. In contrast, the chart also reveals a decline in the number of short-term traders, with both the cruisers, 1 to 12 months, and traders, less than 1 month, categories showing negative growth over the past year. This shift may indicate a broader market transition where SHIB's value is becoming less dependent on short-term speculative activity and more influenced by long-term holders. This trend is seen as a positive development for SHIB's market stability. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comments section below. Let's praise the SHIB holders for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your reviews on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.